Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we have Andrew and Maria each collecting 6 rocks, and the masses of the rocks are given in this table. The mean of the masses of the rocks Maria collected is 0.1 kilograms greater than the mean of the masses of the rocks Andrew collected. So first let's find the mean of the masses of the rocks that Andrew collected, because we know all of his rocks' values. So the mean, to find that, you take the total mass and you divide it by the number of rocks. Right, so if you had 10 kilograms divided by 5 rocks, that's an average of 2 kilograms per rock. It's that sort of a thing. The total mass, we just add up all of the values. So 2.4 plus 2.5 plus 2.6, plus 3.6 plus 3.1 plus 2.5 plus 2.7, right? These are the 6 rocks that Andrew had, and of course the number of rocks we just said is 6. So the total mass, if you add it up, is 16.8 kilograms divided by 6, which if you do it out is 2.8 is his average. So Maria has an average of 0.1 greater. So 2.8 plus 0.1 is 2.9 is her mean, which is equal to the total mass of her rocks, which is x plus 3.1 plus 2.7 plus 2.9 plus 3.3 plus 2.8, and those values divided by 6. And now we have an equation where we can just solve for x, which is what the problem is looking for in the first place. So the easiest way to do this, firstly, just multiply everything by 6. That'll get rid of this big fraction because these 6's will cancel. We have 6 times 2.9, which is 17.4, is equal to x plus, and then basically with these 6 canceled, we're just looking at the numerator is going to be this side of the equation. So you have x plus 3.1 plus 2.7 plus 2.9 plus 3.3 plus 2.8. So if you just calculate these right now, we have x plus 14.8. If we subtract 14.8 from both sides, we have x is equal to 17.4 minus 14.8 is 2.6. The problem is asking us, what is the value of x? X is equal to 2.6 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.